Hello, everybody. I hope that you are doing well. Today's class is a mix of review and preparation for the AP exam. So your AP exam is on Monday, May 18th at 4 p.m., but I'm going to cover more of that in our AP exam updates and overview video. Just to give you a rundown of what is expected of you today, I am putting that AP exam updates video on Edpuzzle because I want to make sure that you have watched it. And so you are going to get points for watching the video and like watching it with a name that I know. So don't put in a name that I don't know you by, okay? So name that I know, you'll get points for completing the video. Second thing, I want you to go to the College Board website and complete the AP demo. This is where you can upload like a practice exam. It has the timer. It has the different upload options. Upload the way that you think that you are going to take the exam. Actually, you know what? You can do it and try all three things, right? You can try everything and see what works best for you. How's that sound? But I do want you to do that. I realize that you may have done it for other AP classes already, so if you have, that's fine. You don't need to do it again, but I do want you to at least have done it once. Third thing is completing the AP tracker. So the AP tracker is a Heron document. It's a Google form that you're going to fill out that will let us know if you have done the demo and if you, I think, are receiving emails. This links to a spreadsheet that I can see if you have completed it. There are already 2 people that have completed it. So with that, you are going to get points for having completed that tracker, okay? So if you're looking at points so far, AP exam video tracker. The last thing is your Unit 6 one-page study sheet. It is, I don't think it's as big as the last one, but it's the energy unit, so it will take a little bit of time. With the one-page study sheet, feel free to go onto 2 pages if you need to. I'm going to have you upload it onto a Google form as per always. I know some of you have told me that you feel like review videos would be helpful. The College Board is making review videos that are on YouTube that you can watch. So I'm not making my own because they are making them. I can put a link to those videos onto the page if that is helpful to you, but I just don't want to like reinvent the wheel with more videos. So you can watch those. They're on the College Board YouTube channel. As always, come to office hours 1 to 2 p.m. every day. And, oh, one more thing. There was some interest in if we are going to, like, I asked if you would like to do a question and answer time before the AP exam. It was a pretty resounding yes. So next week we will be doing a Zoom meeting to ask questions before the AP exam. So be looking forward to that. I'll put more info on here when I know like what time and day we're gonna do it. Okay, come to office hours. Email me if you have questions. Keep doing your work. I will see you later. Have a good day.